Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this customer order from the very start to the end, so just keep watching. These are the inspo pictures she sent me. She wanted the stars and the moon and some black accent colors. She also told me to surprise her with this shape, and I decided to go with long coffin because I haven't used this one in a minute. These are apres long coffin. I'm going to be using this nailz bling 8080 grit file to file the tips of the nails to get that annoying little piece that's usually at the tip of them. And then instead of buffing the nails with a buffer to take the shine off, I do use acetone and a lint-free wipe. I get that question all the time, why didn't you buff it? Why didn't you buff it? So when I'm doing this step, this is taking that place. It's just chemically doing it instead of doing it manually. For the nude base, as always, I'm using Riya nails 112. And I go ahead and do 2 coats of this color. This is after 1 coat. And this is after 2 coats. So pretty. I cured that for a minute, and then I'm going to be using blooming gel from Mia Secret. You can get it off Amazon, and black from Tracy Nails Colorland collection. And I do put blooming gel on each nail individually instead of going and putting it on all 5 or 10 nails. So here I am just putting that blooming gel on. And so this nail was my first try. I tried to match it up to her inspo pictures, how most of them were like a black ombre, and it faded down. But as I was working on it, I did not like how it was coming out, so I wiped it off with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And then I went back in with blooming gel to start over. And this time I just decided to draw the black line and then come back in with the brush and just wiggle that line around so it started blooming in different directions instead of just being straight. And then that's what I did on every finger. I did speed through the blooming gel part, and then I left the when I'm drawing on the nail in real time, so you can see how long it took me to like let it spread around. It didn't take too long. So here I am again putting down a black line of gel polish and then going and wiggling it around so it can spread. This set definitely gave me Halloween vibes. I don't think it's your typical Halloween design. It's not like pumpkins and witches and skulls, but I think the way the black like spreads and how it looks, it definitely is like a scary night Halloween vibe, you know. And I did wipe the sides so there's not like an overage of gel right there before I put in the UV lamp. At this point I did not put in the lamp. Now I did, and I did that for a minute. And then I did try to practice drawing moons and stars, but they weren't coming out right. And I have no shame using stickers. I know some artists like to shame other people for using stickers, but not all of us are gifted to do hand-drawn art, you know. I'm one of them. But I do have strengths in other areas, so I don't really let it affect me. If I need to use a sticker, I will. And I'm using this purple tool. I guess online it says it's a cuticle pusher, but I used it to press against the sticker to make it as flat as possible. It is in my Amazon list. So here I am just trying to make them as straight, and that's the tool I'm talking about. I just press it so it stays super flat. And I am looking at it from all different angles. If you are using stickers, make sure to do that, because when you cure it and a part is lifting up, there's really no going back. It's always gonna stick up like that, and even when you put top coat on it, it's gonna look awkward. So when you're putting stickers on, make sure to look at it from all angles. Another thing, when you're doing designs like this, as you can see, I'm putting these stickers on with the nail tips facing down, the tip of the nail going towards me, the base of the nail at the top, so that when your customer has them on, the stars aren't going the wrong way. You know what I mean? I don't know how to describe that, but just make sure that when you're putting any type of designs like charms or anything, to do them towards the tips of the nails, so when the customer is showing off their nails or looking at them, the design is facing the correct way. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I got the star stickers from Shein. After I put the stars on, I went in with some white gel polish from Tracy Nails Colorland collection and put some dots on the nail because I feel like they were missing something. And do you guys see me? When I go back in for polish, I go to black first and then white. I could not stop doing it. I don't know why. I didn't dip in it, but I kept going back to the black first. It was so annoying and embarrassing, but yeah. I just went in random places I felt needed something there. And then I went ahead and cured that for a minute. After it came out the lamp, I put some top coat. I'm using Beetles. Beetles top coat is so bomb. Do not sleep on it. I use it when I run out of apres or Valentino, but it's just as good and it's way less money. After I cured that for 2 minutes, I always cure my top coat for 2 minutes. I went in with a file, and I'm going to show you guys why I use a file after. If you could see my thumb and my index finger, look how nice the shape is compared to the last 3 I haven't filed yet. How bulky it is at the tip. That is why I file them, because when you're using all those layers of gel, you do lose the shape of your nail tip. I went ahead and dusted those off, and then I did the other hand off camera. When I finished, I took the nails off of the stands. I'm telling you, that trick where you put the putty on the stands first and then put the nails on top, the nails almost always come right off without the putty sticking to them. Used my box from Uline. I have a video on packaging. And then this red double-sided tape from Amazon. It should be in my Amazon list. And I usually just kind of guess how long it should be. I don't really like measure it out or anything like that. I pull it out, and if it's a medium set, I kind of know how long it should be. And I took these little scissors I got from nail couture and cut them. And here I am just putting them in the box, really pretty and really straight and even. After I put them in the box, I wiped them off and then dusted them off and got them ready to pack up. So here's the nails, a thank you card, instruction card, and a nail prep kit. And that's what I'm going to be sending off to this customer. I hope this video helped you guys. I hope you guys always learn from these. This is just my process when I'm working on customer orders. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys next time.